Hi, and welcome to another daily recap of XAU. This is July 12, 2024, Friday, and this is day 56. So today there were two trades I took, and both of them were losers. So the first trade could have been a winner if I had chosen appropriate entry strategy, but I took a wrong entry method, and that costed me. And the first loss came in the London, and second came in the New York. Second was a strategy failure. The first is human failure. That is me. So let's see what actually happened, what mistake I did, and why I took two losses in the day. Was that much, worth to take two two losses? So let's check what actually happened. So this is daily, and the daily swing high is very weak. So what I can expect is just price to mitigate this supply. Once it mitigates, I can I will have a ton of confidence that price will go up to take out this daily swing high, which is weak. This is 4 hour, and actually price took the buy side liquidity of the 4 hour supply. So with that buy side liquidity, we can expect the price to at least make some kind of pullback, at least take make the first internal leg down and then push up. So what I was expecting is this demand of the 4 hour did not have any lid. So the only liquidity available would be below this lid, below this demand. So I was expecting the price to be bearish today, uh, not in one shot, but actually it can have some legs. But the price should come. I was expecting the price to come to this demand, either to flip it or expect it to make another leg up. So the thing is, my 4 hour bias was bearish. So swing is bullish, internal is bullish, small internal is also bullish. Price has now reached the premium pricings of the 4 hour structure. Thus, I'm expecting this daily supply to hold and bring the price to make a deeper 4 hour swing pullback. So I'll use the low time frame to guide my session's direction. So very simple. This is a very a bit zoomed in version. You can see there is no lid in this leg. So obviously this is a low resistance liquidity, and since there is no lid, this the sell side liquidity will be here. There was a ton of confidence for the price to come down. This is 1 hour chart, my medium time frame. And this is 4 hour PY, which got liquidated, and now we are expecting the price to come down to tap into the 4 hour demand. Zooming in, so swing is bullish, internal is bullish. Price of the buy sell liquidity of the 4 hour PY, and now the price is looking to come down. Like I'm expecting the price to come down, not the price is looking to come down. Thus, face the shorts are high probability now. Face the shorts. We look for the sweep of some buy sell liquidity and then a bearish stock to confirm the bearish trend. Also, I'm happy to enter the trades if the price makes series of lower lows and lower highs, confirming the bearish trend. The same as that of in the M15. I was expecting the price to sweep some buy sell liquidity and then boom, it can come down. So this is the session update of at 8:20. Price started to make a series of lower lows. You can see I didn't see this before. I mean, see this earlier, but now when I zoomed in and saw the chart 2 to 3 times, I saw that these were lower lows. Kind of a bearish order flow was forming. The, like these kind of lower lows can also be liquidity pool, a kind of low resistance liquidity pool when you see it from a higher time frame point of view. But before the price takes out all the buy side liquidities, we can take some quick profits, and then we can take some quick. We can get in and get out of the trades quickly before the price changes its direction. So I was seeing these lower lows. Thus, I'm interested in getting shorts from the freshly formed POI. So this is our first opportunity. I Yeah, this is 5 minutes time frame, and I could observe LC2A right here. You can see the price came down, went up, came down, and it took out this liquidity here and then pushed down. Now, uh, what will happen? This becomes very strong high because it swept liquidity and then pushed down. So this becomes a POI, or you can also call this as an SMT trap, where the smart money players will be placing their sell orders here right here. But above it will be will the price will, and all the stop losses will be right here above. So what the price will obviously do, take out those stop losses and then push down. So that's what we are gonna trade. So these are the positive factors and these are the negative factors. Price starting to make series of lower lows and lower highs. Thus, I'm interested in getting shorts from the freshly pumped POI. So positives, price took the 4-hour buy sell liquidity. Thus, the high time frame bias is bearish. So we are having the support of the higher time frames. H1 small internal is forming series of lower lows, lower highs, and I'm entering with immediate order flow. You can see the for the phase D shorts to be high probable, we must have a bearish stock. But in some cases, we can also use the bearish order flow. I mean, if it is a sell market, we can also use the bearish order flow to confirm that okay, there is a series of lower lows and lower highs are forming. So we can assume that the supply has taken control. So this is another way that I assume that the supply has taken control. And one more confluence that is there is no immediate any significant demand to oppose my trade. So the only demand is right here. So before that, I could take my profits and go home. So here comes the risk factors. Price did not sweep any buy-side liquidities in H1, that is medium time frame. So it just made lower lows. So when it swept some buy-side liquidity, I would have been very confident because with that liquidity, that could be the inducement of the day, and the rest of the, I mean, the price could start to come down the rest of the day. But since there is no liquidity taken, so the only liquidity available could be right here. That was in my mind, in back of my mind. If high lows, okay, I became the liquidity. I didn't wait for the liquidity rate. I knew for sure. Asian Ice and previous day high is also there. So ton of buy sell liquidity is there. So this can be even an inducement for the supply. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier. He entered 920. Yeah, actually the price came up. You can see this supply failed. Price took the liquidity up. So I placed my short order right here. So once the buy sell liquidity is taken, so we can expect the price to come down. Enter the short position after a great fight with hesitated. Yeah, actually I was not able to place trade immediately because as soon as the price took this buy sell liquidity, this candle came down. So I couldn't place the stop order. So what I decided is when the price came right here, I placed a limit order. I was able to place a limit order right here. So this is actually not a sell stop. This is sell limit which I placed. Thankfully, I got tagged in. Entered the short position after a great trade to the C trader. I was not able to place sell stop initially because of the bid and the current price were too close. Thus, I forced to place a sell limit order, which fortunately got me tagged in. Now it's just the patient game and let my odds play out. As discussed, yeah, actually, I was risking 1.23% because I was kind of formulated my own martingale strategy and I got stopped out at 9.5. Because price wants to take these lower resistance liquidity above, and then actually price came down after taking out further liquidities because people will not place a stop losses just above this, right? They will have some buffers. So price wants to take all the stop losses and then come down. In that process, my stop loss also got taken out. So session update at 10. So ended the London session with the loss, and I completely accept the loss as it's a part of the game. Yeah, that's a good sentence. Now I'm looking forward for the price to take out the buy sell liquidity marked. If I get an LC2A formation in the M15, that would give me enough confidence to enter shorts from that H1 for supply. So since price went up, he expected the price to take all these buy sell liquidities to get this H1 supply and then to come down. So that will be a high probability trade because there is a there is a sweep of buy sell liquidity and we are getting some confirmations in the M15. That would be a great trade, but again, price just mitigated this supply and then it started to come down. I didn't get any trades because this is a new scandal, so there is no pullbacks, nothing like that. So also, yeah, one more thing is that I could have taken uh, this entry with M15 with clear with M15 pullback inducement or with M15 lead. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the trade that I missed. So there was this M15 LC1 which played out actually, but I didn't take the trade because use M15 LC1 with M15 lead if M15 PY equals to H1 PY. But here, this is H1 POI, but we are having two M15 POIs within H1 POI. So it's not the, I don't know which POI will play out, so I didn't take any risk of entering the trade. So I expected the price to take this liquidity. So once this liquidity was taken, I'll be having confidence to play shorts. But before taking that liquidity, price, news stuck and it came down. Yeah. Once the price came down, uh, actually what it did was it went up, made a fake break, I mean a fake chalk, and then came down. So this is an LC2A, right? So liquidity will be present right here. I saw the price coming up to take this liquidity. So once the price took that one, I saw two candles, huge Marubozu candle down here. I expected the price to at least consolidate and come down to take out this, uh, this position. But it gave a reaction. I was in profit for some time and then boom, took off. So, what's the positive consequence? It's a phase T medium probability trade with the following consequences. Price took the item. Yeah, I told you this already. There is no POI, significant POI below. I had medium time frame narrative to support. And there is also LC2A formation, beautiful LC2A. But the only two negative factors was LC2A was formed in with the news candle. And one more thing is price actually mitigated this H1 supply before pushing down. So probably all the sell orders were filled and then the price pushed down. The remaining sell orders were filled when the price came up, gave a reaction, and then demand took control and pushed the price down. So I was caught in the wrong side of the market. So this is the session update at 3. The price made a bullish internal breakout structure on the upside. This is you. Okay. This is not. Yeah. So I told you right. The first one could have been a winner. So here it is. So this was M15 LC1. LC1 actually I took entry with M5. LC1 entry with clear LC2A. Entry with M5 with clear LC2A. I took actually this one, but I could have used this one. This could have been, this could have given me the beautiful profit because you can see price came down, came up, came down. So this was my liquidity in LC1. So price took that liquidity. It started to move up. I'll keep following the orders, and this was my entry point, and you know stop loss just above, and then 3R. The news candle could have taken my take profits, little bit lower because I won't take profit during news. I'll just leave the price to go wherever it wants. But I'll be break even view before the news. I missed it. Yeah, I know. So what I just tweaked my strategy is same thing, same rules, but this is priority. If this doesn't happen, then I'll go with this. I should not directly go with the M5. I should wait for M15. This will be the first priority. If not, second priority or third. This is fourth. Okay. This is fourth. So that's how I ended my day. That's how I realized what mistakes I made. Again, this is another random ICT guy that took a beautiful trade. Uh, Let me just break it down for you. This is 15 minutes. Okay, this is daily time frame actually. This is previous day high liquidity. So I think he was aiming for this previous day high. And there was this fair value gap. So this is this 4H fair value gap. Price created this 4 fair value gap. And then price was about to go up. So I expected the price to come down because there was no resistance here. So what he saw was uh, fair value gap as a resistance, and he also expected a reaction from this fair value gap and took longs. and using the entry was on the M15 time frame. Uh, I think there was, yeah, he took, there was breakout structure on the upside, ICT 2022 model. There was a bit of fair value gap. He entered on this fair value gap, stop loss below, and then he took the profits. So yeah, it's simple. We analyze from the high time frame to lower time frame. So we also analyze where the price is going to react, where the pullbacks is going to stop, where the once the price finishes the swing, takes out the swing high, what will be the possible points where the price can react. So we take into all these considerations, but there is nothing kind of analysis here. But I appreciate this kind of analysis because it's very simple to easily trade. But uh, the foundation is we must be a good analyst before becoming a good trader. So improve the analysis skills, stick to that, and as a trader, trade without any emotions. Try trading without any emotions. Yeah, I know. You can see in this trade, that's the second trade. Yeah, in this trade there was ton of negative confluences. I just wrote one, but there were many. Actually, I actually found out that this POI was already mitigated. So I could have stopped from taking trade there, and this LC2A was formed on the news candle. So all these could have stopped me from trading down. Also, even I noticed this fair value gap and the price rejecting off from this one. You can see how strong the rejection was. But sometimes even this could be a buy side. I mean, this could act as a sell side liquidity. Sometimes your edge may play out. Sometimes it won't. But you can appreciate others' analysis, others' trades, but not to op strategies. That's the main point. Okay, that's it for today. I took two losses. Hoping for uh, what can I expect? Yeah, actually, this is on. Yeah, if I see the 4-hour time frame, all the POIs, there is no POIs yet. There is just the low resistance liquidity. So once the price starts makes a leg above, then we can clearly expect the price to take out the strong strong swing high. It's very obvious. So that's what I'll be looking for. If the price respects this family gap goes up, I'll be looking for the next demand zone to make longs. So that's it for today. Let's see tomorrow, the next week, what's going to happen. Thank you guys. Bye.